Hi, this is our article on Comparative User Experience Analysis between Tabletop Games and their digital counterparts. The authors of this article is Alberto Alvarez, Andreas Larsson, Jonas Ekblad, and Jose Font. Carcassonne. Digital version offered higher usability and engagement, likely due to the helpful user interface that increased the efficiency. Physical version offered a higher social connectivity, likely because of the slower pace. This proved to be the only game with a higher score in engagement and enjoyment in favor of the digital version. Love letter. Physical version exceeded its digital adaptation in all categories except usability by a slight margin. Digital missing the face-to-face element is believed to have affected the score greatly, as it is a game dependent on imperfect information. Mysterium. Scores are nearly equal in all factors with social connectivity as a slight exception. Both the versions of the game were well received. The playtesters expressed a preference for the physical version when it came to social gatherings. Small World. The digital's aesthetics and social connectivity was highly rated in the digital version. This is the only game with a higher social connectivity score than its physical counterpart. Ticket to Ride. Physical scored higher in all factors except for a slim advantage in aesthetics. Engagement, social connectivity, and enjoyment factors scored higher on the physical version. Twilight Struggle. Physical scored higher in all factors except for a slim advantage in aesthetics. With its heavy micromanagement nature, it was surprising that the physical version scored higher in usability. Uno. The physical version scored higher in all factors. Usability was fairly close due to Uno's simple mechanics in both versions. Similar to Love Letter, missing the face-to-face element is suspected to have affected the digital's results. Thank you for listening, and we wish you a good day.